How to draw eyes with 3 different wings. Some fans and friends asked how to draw different styles of eyes. Teach you a little trick. Eye style is actually related to the height of the eyeliner. Characters want to have the appearance of sinking fish and falling geese. The appearance of closing the moon. Eyes are the key. Q version of cute style eyes. Like a crystal clear glass bead. Well-intentioned. Luotian affiliated middle school of Kaozi in the Three Kingdoms period. Describe the eyes as bright and flexible. So when we usually draw younger characters, can be expressed with this style of eye. The eyes are big and round, all exposed. The upper eyelid is drawn around the eyeball. The overall shape of the eye is round. Japanese beautiful girl style eyes. Just as Liu wrote in Lao Can's Travels. Those eyes are like autumn water, like a cold star, like a pearl, like white mercury raising black mercury on both sides. It's a little bit like the Q version of the eye. While painting, about 80% of the eyes are exposed. The eyes are fan-shaped as a whole. The eyes of an ancient figure. Eyes are watery. The head and tail of the eyes are pointed. About 60% of the eyeballs are exposed. Flying around on both sides of the straight, cluster cigarette plum. A pair of 4 happy flying dreams. Water is an eye wave. Mountain is the distance between eyebrow peaks. I want to ask where the pedestrian is going. Eyebrows. So, the eyelashes should be long when painting. Upturned end of eye. Present a hazy feeling. Did you learn? Good class.